So here we are, testing out a couple of new things. First of all, the new soothers. Is that funny, William? Oh! The new soothers that are being spat out. And we're also testing out the Bumbo play trays that I found yesterday. That just kind of snap into place, although they don't hold the babies into place, so it's not like high chairs completely, but I figured it would be good for toys and yeah. What's so funny? Do you guys like the new stuff? And I also figured it was good for them to be able to pick up toys, which they haven't really been doing, but they have now, although they're casualties over the side. They've gone overboard, so I'm going to get them again. Hey, you're putting it in your mouth already. That's pretty clever. Oh! Well, you're not going to have anything else to play with. Oh! It's gone overboard. Where'd it go, bud? Okay, hang on. Good job, guys. You're just gonna rest there, Will. Good job. Oh! There goes your soother. What are you doing? Is he tasty? Is that rabbit tasty? Oh boy. Babies are so great. Especially my babies. Oh, is it gone? It's gone from your hand. Uh-oh. Right, I better get on some more toys. Do you need some more toys? Yeah, rosy cheeks. You could just eat the plastic there if you wanted. So these are the new soothers that we've got for them. Owen, can you look up at Mommy? Sort of. And they're they look like little masks or torture devices, but I think they quite like them. They're supposed to help the airflow around the mouth when the kids are drooling, so that they don't get rashes, because you can see there's all that open space around the mouth. And we gave them to them last night, and they actually quite like them, although Will has got his on the floor right now because he's chewing on the rabbit, which is much tastier. Oh, you're gonna get him good, aren't you? You're gonna get him good. Eat those ears. I dread to think of how much dog hair there is on that toy. Oh no, now it's just a hand. The entire fist is trying to make it its way in. Should we take the tray off, buddy? There you go. Now you're free. You don't know what to do. You're free. 5 months old, these guys. They're 5 months old. I can't believe it. My handsome little boys. Here you go.